Hey friends, today we're going to draw a turkey playing football.
We hope you're really excited to follow along with us. This is what our drawings look like at the very end. We used our markers to draw and color with.
But you could use whatever you have at home.
Yeah, are you ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's first draw the beak on our turkey. We're gonna draw the letter V in the middle of our paper. I'm gonna draw it this big. And then we can draw the top of the beak. I'm gonna draw it curving around. And we could also draw nostrils too. Two little nostrils. Looks like an alien.
Yeah.
Then we could draw the wattle, or the thing that hangs on the side of the turkey beak.
Yeah.
And then we could draw eyes. I'm gonna draw a circle here and a circle over here the same size. And we could color those in too. I'm gonna color them in solid instead of adding the highlight that we usually do, but if our art friends want to, they can add the highlight.
Yeah.
Next, we gotta draw the helmet, their football helmet. We're gonna draw a straight line down on the side and down on the side to match. And I kind of drew them coming in too. Okay, now we're gonna draw a small curve, and then we're gonna come over to the other side, and then another small curve in the side. Okay, now we're gonna draw the helmet going over the top. And we're gonna try to draw a circle shape. It's okay if it's not, but we're gonna curve around really big and then come down. And I'm trying to draw the sides of the helmet kind of small or thin. Yes, okay, now let's come in on the inside, or towards the inside, and we're gonna draw the padding inside the helmet. So we're gonna match the same curve that we already drew. We'll just go right next to it and try to keep the space even all the way around. We'll draw a straight line up and a straight line up here. And then we're gonna draw a line connecting those. And we're gonna draw a stripe going down the center of our helmet, but our friends could change their helmet designs if they want. You could add designs or whatever your favorite team is.
Yeah.
Now let's draw the mask, our football mask in front, or face mask. We're gonna draw a curve going under to the other side. And then we're gonna draw another curve going right through the beak. Then we can draw more lines coming down here. I'm gonna draw another one out here on the side too. There's our helmet.
Yeah.
Our turkey is wearing a helmet.
It looks awesome.
It's awesome. Yeah. Okay, now let's draw the rest of our turkey. First, let's draw the little neck. We're gonna draw two short lines coming down on each side. It looks like a baby turkey.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna draw letter U's connecting across. Now let's draw the body, and we're gonna draw it right here. We're gonna draw it curving around and draw the letter U over, and I'm leaving a little space for the armpits on both sides. I always like drawing the armpits.
Yeah.
Now let's draw the football coming out from underneath our turkey. He's got it underneath his wing. Yes, and then we're gonna draw the wings next. Let's first draw this wing over here, and then we can match on this side. And then right here, let's draw the feathers. I'm gonna draw two letter U's connecting. And this is behind the football, so we can leave that off on this side. Okay, now let's draw the legs. We'll draw two lines for each leg coming down from the body. And then we can draw the toes. I'm gonna draw three letter U's that are kind of skinny for each toe. Yes. Okay. Now, what are we missing?
It's tails.
Yeah, it's tails. It's feathers.
Feathers,
for the tail.
Yeah.
Let's draw all of the feathers for the tail. I'm going to start here, and we'll draw the first feather coming here. It's like an upside down J. And I'm going to draw that same feather, but the other way, going this way, on this side. Yes. Okay. Now let's draw another feather right next to this one, and we'll match because it's symmetrical and try to make them the same on both sides. This next feather, we're going to draw it smaller and the same to match here. And then one more, we'll draw it even smaller down here and down here. We did it! We finished our turkey playing football.
Yeah.
Our turkey bowl. Except we still need to
Color it.
yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you could pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. But you could change the colors so that it matches your favorite team.
Yeah.
You ready to speed things up?
Let's do it.
We did it! We finished coloring our turkeys and they turned out awesome.
Yeah, and kind of funny.
Yeah, a turkey wearing a helmet. Yeah. You could pause the video like we mentioned and match our same coloring.
Or you could color it any way you want.
Yeah, you could change the colors of the feathers or even the helmet.
Yeah, you could put the team's logo on it.
Oh, yeah, of your favorite team.
Yeah.
You could also change the background or add things to the background.
Oh yeah, like a goalpost.
That would be awesome. Or more turkeys chasing them.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing turkeys playing football with us.
And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.